Hi guys, so I decided to do a little room tour because since I am planning on moving overseas soon, I do want to capture how my room looks right now before I pack anything. So first we have my door. It has some woods, NCT, and some slogans, and also a Zikers poster. And then I also have my little door thing from my TXT fan club kit. And then you walk in, and this is my room. I am an only child, so I did grow up with just this room all to myself. So let's go one wall at a time. So here we have the other side of my door, has some more posters, has a little I&I section, some NCT, TXT, my Janghao magazine poster, and some bags on the wall. And then you move on to this wall, and it has all of my TXT, some slogans. I'll do a separate video on just my K-pop collection because that alone is a lot. But yeah, this is my main K-pop shelf. It has all my albums, my light sticks, miscellaneous K-pop things. So yeah, and then hanging here, it's just some random like fan art prints behind this TXT deco kit. Little banner. You see some pictures of my friends, some Love Live. My friend got me that from Japan. Yeah, this is mostly like the TXT wall. And then over here, got some more posters. Have my main bookshelf with just some random books, magazines, and my piggy bank that is my little precure piggy bank that I stole away some foreign money. So I had some yen and some Canadian money. And then this is just where I keep random things, and then I hide it with my little Heesung slogan. And then here is my figure collection, or at least my smaller figure collection. It's kind of blocked by my guitar. Here you can get a better look. It just has some like random knickknacks, little figurines. They're all kind of hard to see because they're like layered on top of each other, but yeah, my main figures are like Love Live, got some Conan, some Evangelion, and Persona 4. So yeah, those are my little knickknacks. And then on top, some more K-pop things. It's mostly like bottles, like all the Jungkook coffee bottles that we sold at my work. A little BTS standee, and then some of the Twice bottles. This is back when I was Nayeon biased, so these are the Nayeon ones. And then this is actually a light that turns on when you flip it over. And some origami, some more origami, light stick boxes. And these are where I put most of my photo booth photos, and then some random magnets that I have. So we have this like little onigiri one that I got from Anime NYC, some Zikers from their albums, some random K-pop ones. Yeah, and then this is from Castle in the Sky that I got at a Ghibli store in Japan. And I like put stickers on the frame in the corners, as you can see. Yeah, we got some more posters. This is like my little ATEEZ section. All my ATEEZ posters. And some more miscellaneous prints that I got from conventions. You see there's Akka in the back. This actually has a recipe for karaage on the back. Some inari clans. So one of my online friends sent me this. Oh, that's a letter from my friend. My friend got me that from Anime NYC. Some more prints. I also got this from Anime NYC. My friend made that. My friend also made that. And this. And then my friend got me this from her school because she goes to an art school. Various conventions. That one I got from Anime NYC. ATEEZ, yep. I almost skipped over this part. So I have some Kagura Sakura figures, and then these are all of my cup sleeves that I got from all the cup sleeve events I've been to. I've been to a lot. This one's not a cup sleeve, it's like an actual cup. I got this in Japan. Yeah. And then these are like my lights. I got my VIP and Hypen Moonlight, and then some anime ones. And then I got this in Japan too. Like from the 401 coin? I don't know how to say it. TXT collab. Got that in Koreatown. Oh my gosh. Got my Baekhyun posters and my Jaemin. My Super M, like Spotify exclusive stand-up poster thing. Oh yeah, this is where I light incense. My Game Grumps crowns from both times I saw them. Some little plastic like maneki nekos, and this one's a solar power one that jiggles. My friend gave me that Sailor Moon figure. This is my manga collection. This is where I put my English ones, and then I put my Japanese ones down here. Yeah, then we have little acrylic standees, little tiny figurines. Got my Taiko, Tamagotchi, Love Live, Smitsky, my Mofasando, Senria, Kirby, and then my one Nendroid of King from Seven Deadly Sins. Oh, this is actually not a manga. This is a Yuzuru Hanyu postcard book. He's just kind of sitting there. Yeah, I'm starting to run out of room. And then this is where all my Japanese ones are. This my uncle gave me randomly. I don't know, it's like bread erasers. Another Kanan little standee. This is from a gachapon. It's like a mini BTS gachapon. My Gigi lamp, little Hello Kitty, Kirby, and then my Wotakoi acrylic standee. Those are all my Japanese mangas. Some of them are still sealed. I don't really read them, but I can if I wanted to, but I just don't. Oh yeah, this is in English. I just ran out of room for it, but it should be up there. This is just like miscellaneous K-pop boxes and like random bottles with like cool designs that I found. And then my friend got me this Yeonjun candle. Those are my high school yearbooks. We're not gonna talk about that. And then we get to my desk. Here are all my earrings, and then I keep all like my makeup and stuff in those drawers. That little maneki neko is where I keep my brushes. And then this is where I mostly got my laptop. This is a mirror. It opens up and it has a little light on it. All my notebooks and such, and then stuff I keep by my bedside, like my Haikyuu coaster. And I've been oh my god, and I've been meaning to read My Love Mix-Up, but I haven't got to that. And then this is for the lights up here. Yeah. There we go. And then this is my bed. It's got my heated blanket and all my plushies. I got the Snoopy from CVS, so BT21, Nick Wilde, Sumiko Gurashi, Rila Kuma, Baymax, and then the TXT Molongs. I got Yeonbin, and then the Sungmin dog from IKEA. Got a Squishmallow back there. It's a gnome, and then my friend got me that Kuromi for my birthday. And then the posters over here, I already said Jaemin. We also got some Enhypen, Jiyoon, because he's my P1 bias. Gravity, some more TXT that I had left over in 80s, and then Changmin from The Boys. This is just like my bias wall basically, like if I have a solo poster of my bias, like I'll put it up here. And yeah, then all of my anime posters kind of got moved to this wall. So yeah, there's all that. And then this little corkboard is where I keep all my keychains. And then this corkboard is where I keep like miscellaneous like memories and extra like prints and stuff, some more photo booth prints. And in this magnet board I have some more photo booth prints and like extra magnets I had left over. But yeah, some more anime prints from various conventions. And then I have my Japanese flag on my wall, or on my ceiling. I actually got this for a TikTok I made a while ago, but I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it up on my bed. Got my signed Mika Kobayashi print up there. All my Persona and Given is also over here. Yeah, I have this. I really like my curtain on my window and like my little fake plant. I also have some stickers on my mirror. And then this is my TV side. We got like NCT mostly. This is basically an NCT wall. And this is my TV. Got a candle warmer, some of my Tsum Tsums. And then this is where I keep miscellaneous CDs that aren't K-pop. And then my Switch games, my first PlayStation games, and then PS4/DS games. And then we got my DVDs down here with my speaker, and then there's my PlayStation. And my CD player. And then this drawer is just like technology stuff. Oh yeah, my Wii's down there too. This wall also has most of my slogans from concerts up here. And then my closet, this is kind of like the ZB1 side, so you can see. And then this is more anime prints I got from conventions. And then the last wall, got some more NCT, some Super M. And then I made this collage out of the Thursday's Trial album and my signed Utah poster. And yeah, that's everything wall-wise. I kind of wanted to go into more detail in some places, so this is the top of my K-pop shelf, and that's like a box I keep a lot of magazines, my PC, and inclusion binders and stuff, and all the stickers in front of it. And I have a lot of little posters on the sides of shelves and stuff, either that I printed out at FedEx or like small inclusions from albums and like other prints from conventions and such. And again, this is my little trinket cabinet. I feel like I didn't really get a good shot of it, so here's everything that's on the top shelf of it. Feel free to pause and take a look. And then I didn't mention these Kingdom peanuts along with the BTS coffee. And yeah, those are the photo strips again. And I kind of want to go through each keychain. So this along with this show from Utapuri and Love Live, I got at Big Fun in downtown Columbus. It's like a secondhand store. And then this Yukine double-sided Yato Noragami keychain I recently got at Anime NYC. This I got at either Matsuri-con or Ohio-con, I forget. It's a Shaoran keychain. This I got at Ohio-con at like the big booth in the vendor's hall. It's Yuzu from Fukumenken Noise. This was actually a present. It's the Sumiko Gurashi. Another Clans, guys, I had a huge Clans phase in high school, okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, they just kind of live there. This I got in Japan at a bookstore in Kumamoto. I think it was Tsutaya. It was either Tsutaya or like some other like big bookstore. But yeah, it's the Sanrio Hanako-kun collab, so it's Mitsuha and My Melody. And then this I also got in Kumamoto in Yumatown. I think I read this children's book as a kid, but I don't know, the ghost just looked really familiar to me, so I bought it because I thought it was like cute. I don't know. This my uncle from Japan gave me because I told him I really like banana fish and to get me banana fish stuff. This Yoshi I got at Anime NYC. This was also a gift from a friend. Another Sumiko Gurashi. This Levi I got in a blind box forever ago in Japan, like years ago. This Sarazanmai keychain I recently got in Japan at Fuji Terebi. They were doing like a event. I think the gift store just might like be there all year. I'm not too sure. And then this is another Sanrio collab, but with Sailor Moon. I got at Kittyland, I think. It's like near Harajuku in Japan. This Genji and Hanzo keychain I got at Ohio-con, I think. This Bongyu was a gift from a friend. Thank you, Mart. This was in a gachapon. It's a Tokyo Mew Mew little rubber strap. And this is, I forget his name, but he's from Sanrio Danshi. He's like the little twin stars character. This is a matching deku with my online friend, Joy. And then this, Mar paid for me to do this like claw machine, and I won this. It was at that one place, Mitsuha, I think, in Chicago. And then this, like the magnet from before, is from a Ghibli store in Japan. It's from Lapita. Again, Sanrio Danshi. It's the My Melody character, Yu. Another gachapon rubber strap, but it's Ikuto from Shigokara. My friend actually drew me this because my favorite anime character is Titus Alexius from Magi. So she drew it for me, thank you so much. Another gachapon with a Sanrio collab. Guys, I love Sanrio collabs, what can I say? Like, but it's Ojamajo Doremi. So some nostalgic shows in here. Like I said, Titus is my favorite anime character, so I have a little keychain of him. And I also have a random one of Ellie. I don't remember where I got her, but it might have been from Big Fun too. Oh, I forgot these two. Karma and Yu, is that his name? From Oriana Seraph and Sausage Classroom. Yeah, I think that's all of them. Continuing on, I wanted to show my corkboards again. So that is actually some signed playing cards from a producer from Ghibli at the top. And those are my pins from Disney on my Ohio-con lanyard. And here's my magnet board again with all my purikura, all my Japanese photo booth pictures, and some other magnets. And yeah, here's Tanjiro on my bed saying goodbye and thank you for watching.